As the global auto industry accelerates its shift to electric vehicles, local players are moving quickly to keep pace. Rommel Sytin's United Asia Automotive Group is expanding its electrification push as demand, policy, and competition drive a new phase for the sector. Gie Barroga has the details.
3, 2, 1, and...
From the car brands long steered by billionaire Rommel Sytin to newer additions like Radar and Jetour, 2025 turned out to be a good year for United Asia Automotive Group. For billionaire heir Timothy Sytin, that's a sign that the market is opening up, especially with the Chinese car brands they carry.
Our brands experience growth also in terms of numbers, but also in terms of customer satisfaction. I think that's the most important thing here, that if we're able to keep our customers happy, they'll also be the ambassadors for our brand.
Timothy says what really matters is the overall customer experience, not just buying the car, but everything that comes after, including service and support. And it's not just customers who are a priority. The company is also investing in its technicians, the people they call their quote, frontliners of service.
This new year, UAAGI also opened its 2-hectare Center for Technical Excellence, where a huge investment was allocated for facility, training, and technology.
Timothy says the group knows the auto industry is changing fast, and they want to stay a step ahead. He adds that many motorists are still curious and sometimes uncertain about new energy vehicles. That's why building customer confidence and peace of mind is a big part of the plan.
With this facility, we aim to actually lessen the questions or be able to be prepared to answer those questions properly, show them that we're fully equipped when it comes to new energy vehicles. And yeah, I think UAGI as a group is moving in the right direction also for electrification.
Before, we're just talking about internal combustion engines, but right now we have EV and hybrids. So which means that there is a need for us to invest in order for us to cope up with the trainings, as well as providing the right facility for our manpower of the dealer network.
The center also stocks about 1 million car parts, supporting 6 brands under the Sytin motoring empire. But they say the real edge goes beyond parts availability. It's about skilled manpower with training programs here and abroad. For BNC Mobility, Gie Barroga.